Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. So if you open the box like this, we will find in the cover of the box another black box, and if you open this one and pull it out like this, we will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just open it like this, so to remove it like this, and otherwise, by the way, you could use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will have now down on the bottom of the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. But please take care, because next to the SIM tray you will find another hole. This is a microphone. Please take care that you don't use the microphone, use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Take now the edge of your SIM ejection tool or the paper clip and this hole which one is part of the SIM tray, press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. At the SIM tray you're able to insert two SIM cards if you want, one on the top and optional a second one below. By the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2, it's always written here in the middle. Huh? Let's start now with the first SIM card. You need to place it at SIM 1, of course. And this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner. It belongs to the missing corner here at the SIM tray. And the contacts, they are on top. If you want, you can add now a second SIM card on the other side of the SIM tray. But the SIM tray is not well constructed, so the first SIM card will jump out soon. It's not your fault. This is a problem of the SIM tray. Okay, let's enter now the second SIM card. Press it well. Okay, it fell out now, the first one, no problem. So press well here that the second SIM card is well inserted, and this is how it should look like then. Same thing, also missing corner, two missing corner here, and the contacts, they are on top, as you can see. Okay, by the way, if you're having two SIM cards you want to insert, then start with the second SIM first and enter this first one here after. Okay, so if you're ready with it, just enter your construction anyhow with one or two SIM cards back to the SIM slot. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.